Hello everyone and welcome back to this video. In today's video I will tell you how to do a list view, horizontal and vertical, in Flutter. The code will be also linked down in the description. Have fun and enjoy it. Let's get started. Open up a brand new Flutter project and delete everything below the main function. First off, we create a stateless widget. The stateless widget we type in my app. This const placeholder, make it to a material app. I prefer to delete the debug banner and home will be scaffold. Now you type in body and list view. When you have to do that, you type in children, create a new children, and in this children we have 4 boxes. We can start with the first box. In the first box we create a container, and in this container I set a height. For example, I choose 350. Color, I choose the purple for this, but you can do everything what you want. And when you have that done, you set a comma here, and you can copy the same thing for the second box. Also, there, for my example, that you can see the difference, I say that 400. On the third box, I copy this also and set here to 200. And in the fifth box, I do the same thing, but here with 100. So when you have that done, that was everything about the vertical here, but you can do how many boxes you want, so you can do more boxes. But you can also do, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes here, but you can do so many how you want. Yeah, now I will tell you how to do a horizontal list view. For the horizontal list view, you can have this also. The only thing that we have to change is you click here to list view, and there you type in scroll direction, axis dot horizontal, and that was everything for the horizontal. Oh no, sorry, I do something wrong. You have to change this to width and then, because when you have the height it don't function, because of the height you say the height, so you have to do the width. When you have this done, everything have to, here we have 5 boxes. Yeah, that was today's video about the list view, and I hope you enjoyed the video and liked and subscribed to the channel.